Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you not from Wall Street this morning. I'll be there this afternoon after the release of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, but from the apartment here in Brooklyn, New York City, like the little bit of art there. And if you're wondering, James, why are you wearing that hat? Because 25 years ago, the New York Mets unveiled this ice cream man hat, as we called it, in Flushing, Queens, and it only lasted one season, and I can't believe it's been 25 years since the release. Not only that, I was at the game yesterday, the doubleheader. It was beautiful. I feel great. I feel wonderful. I'm feeling a little bit nostalgic, to be honest with you. And speaking of nostalgic, are we returning to the markets? And the Federal Reserve having higher interest rates this afternoon. Supposedly, we're going to see a rate hike by 50 basis points. I mean, I'm not Nostradamus, but I do believe it's already been priced into the markets. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to start off the halfway point of the trading week, as I continue to feel very nostalgic. U.S. stocks mostly lower this Wednesday as investors brace for the Federal Reserve's big interest rate decision, where the central bank is widely expected to hike rates by half a percentage point. Markets preparing for a hawkish Fed, and the central bank also expected to announce a plan to cut its roughly $9 trillion balance sheet by $95 billion a month beginning in June. Meanwhile, weakness in some major tech stocks weighing on the Nasdaq, shares of Amazon and Netflix falling more than 2% each, while Google parent Alphabet off by 1%, while Lyft plummeting nearly 30% after the ride-sharing company shared weak guidance for the current quarter as it expects to invest in driver supply. Chipmaker AMD also moving higher following its report, gaining about 6% after beating estimates and delivering strong guidance. And on the economic docket, private payrolls for ADP showed an increase of 247,000 for April, well below the 390,000 expected. The full Labor Department payrolls report for April due out on Friday. And lastly, there's nothing like a midday into evening doubleheader for my New York Mets, and they win both against the Braves.